Hello, this is Sam Kennedy with VCU Technology Services. We're at the Tech Fair, and who are you?
Hi, I'm John Brophy. I'm with Daily Computers. Right now we are fully supportive of all the university activities. We're involved in the new G2G project with online purchasing of a lot of laptops and accessories. We do a lot of education services here at the university from the network to the edge, and just looking forward to supporting the university in the future.
Great, great. Now you guys have a new program that I think is coming online with our laptop program, our service center, the G2G service center. Can you tell a little bit about that? I know you're not ready to roll it out yet.
Well, we're in the process of working with the administration right now in making online purchases for accessories and peripherals for the student body and also the faculty.
All right, great. So what do you expect to see out of that program? How's that going to benefit students and faculty staff, you think?
Well, it's basically a walk-up store rather than online. We want to have all the products and the peripherals right there with the university readily available in the tech center for the students to purchase real time.
All right, great. Do you have what computers do you guys? I see a little bit of HP here and everything. So what systems do you guys generally carry through daily?
We support HP and Lenovo. And we do a lot of infrastructure work as well.
All right, well, great. Is there anything else you'd like to tell the VCU community before we move on?
No, but we Daily would like to thank the community for their support. And moving forward, we want to make sure that we provide them with the best service.
Great. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.